What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to display the battery percentage on your iPhone. Keeping an eye on your battery percentage can be really useful, especially if you want to know exactly how much charge is left before you need to plug in. While Apple shows the battery icon by default, you might not always see the precise percentage on every model. For iPhone models with Face ID, such as the iPhone X and newer, there's a quick way to see the battery percentage without needing to adjust any settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Once the control center appears, you will see the battery percentage displayed in the top right corner next to the battery icon. This is a convenient way to check the exact percentage whenever you need it, but it won't display all the time on the main screen. For iPhone models with a home button, like the iPhone SE, iPhone 8 and earlier, displaying the battery percentage is a bit different. On these models, you have the option to display the battery percentage directly in the status bar, so it's always visible without needing to open the control center. If you don't see the battery percentage in the status bar, follow these steps to enable it. Open the Settings app. Once inside Settings, navigate to Battery and tap on it. In the battery settings, look for an option labeled Battery Percentage. If it's toggled off, simply tap to toggle it on. Once enabled, you will see the battery percentage appear on the status bar at the top of your screen next to the battery icon, so you'll always know exactly how much battery life you have left. This method also works for iPhone models with Face ID. You'll be able to see your iPhone battery percentage at the top right corner of your screen without ever needing to swipe down to the control center every time. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.